Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 3rd of February 2023 in Japan. Heavy snow blanketed wide swaths of Japan, snarling traffic, forcing hundreds of flight cancellations and disrupting train travel. An unusually cold weather front and extreme low-pressure system set snow falling and strong winds blowing across Japan after causing havoc in other Asian countries. Japan reported that snow was particularly heavy on the side of the country facing South Korea, with the city of Maniwa hit with a record 93 centimeters in just 24 hours. Some 3,000 people were stranded at 2 train stations in the western city of Kyoto. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.